Okay, so one, due to this ill effect of medications, one becomes sick, and it's difficult to be cured of this sickness caused by medicine or medications. So the text says, similarly, a person who has a lot of intelligence, but faith is very weak, or sometimes it's difficult to bring that person to the right path. So it is important that we have to keep these two faculties in balance. Then I shall explain the balancing of the other two faculties of effort and concentration in the next lesson. So now, for those who have experience in this brain transformation, they shall begin their practice. For those who are new, I shall explain to you in the other room.